हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू हिमाचल सिंप्लीफाइड यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज पोस्ट कोड 887 क्लर्क का HPSSC की तरफ से एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट हुआ है मॉर्निंग सेशन में। तो उसी का मैं सॉल्व पेपर आपके सामने लेकर आई हूँ। होपफुली आपके बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस इसमें से ठीक होंगे। आइए डिस्कशन शुरू करें। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ विच इज़ द ओल्डेस्ट वेदा? राइट आंसर इज ऋग्वेदा, ऑप्शन ए विल बी करेक्ट। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, बुद्धिज्म एंड जैनिज्म बोथ गेव स्ट्रेस ऑन नॉन वायलेंस, विल बी करेक्ट, ऑप्शन बी। Third question, the Indus Valley civilization was discovered in 1921-22, so option D, this will be correct. Fourth question, the first monarch of Magad kingdom in the 6th century BC was Bimbisara, so A option will be correct. Fifth question, the first metallic coin used in India was in Bihar and eastern UP, D option will be correct. Sixth question, the Mauryan dynasty was overthrown by so it was पुष्यमित्र शुंग, ऑप्शन सी विल बी करेक्ट फॉर दिस। सो फ्रेंड्स, आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, हिमाचल सिंप्लीफाइड जो चैनल है उस पर हिमाचल प्रदेश से रिलेटेड बहुत सारे जो एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट किए जाते हैं HPPSC HPSSC के द्वारा, तो उसकी सबसे पहले आपको नोटिफिकेशन यहाँ पर मिलती है। सारी आंसर कीज़ यहीं पर अपलोड होती हैं। बहुत सारी डे टू डे जो भी नोटिफिकेशन आती रहती है उन सब की जानकारी आपको यहीं पर मिलती है। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा। Seventh question, Sufi sect developed in which religion? So it was in Islam, option B. Eighth, the capital of Kakatiya dynasty was? So it was Varangal, option D. Ninth question, when Akbar was young, his guardian was? It was Bairam Khan, option A will be correct. 10th, when did Vasco da Gama came to India? He came in 1498, option C will be correct. Next question, it is okay. 11th question, the Kirti Stambha at Chittor was built by? So it was Rana Kumbha, option C will be correct. 12th, the Mathura school of art flourished during the reign of Kanishka, option A will be correct. 13th, the tomb of Babur is at Kabul, option B will be correct. 14th, who is the author of Ashtadhyayi? So it is Panini, option D is correct for this. 15th question, who looted the temple of Somnath? So it was Mahmud of Ghazni, option A will be correct. 16th, who is regarded as the greatest lawgiver of ancient India? It is Manu, option B. Then 17th question, Swaraj Party was formed in the year 1923, option B will be correct. 18th, who was the founder of Muslim League in India? So it was Nawab Salimullah, option C. 19th, the Gandhi Event Pact proclaimed the suspension of civil disobedience movement, that is option C will be correct for this. 20th, Indian National Congress split for the first time in the session at Surat, option B will be correct. 21st, the first state to become bifurcated after independence was? So it was Bombay. अगर ऑप्शन यहाँ मद्रास होता तो मद्रास आना था, लेकिन यहाँ पर अब इनमें से बॉम्बे होगा. 22nd, right to equality before law is? I think I have a doubt here. You can tell me the answer in the comment section. 23rd, a money bill passed by the Lok Sabha can be passed by Rajya Sabha within 14 days. Option A will be correct. 24th, the Rajya Sabha can have maximum strength of 250. Option C will be correct. 25th, who holds office during the pleasure of the president? So it is the governor. Option D will be correct for this. Next question, the Union Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the House of the People. Option D will be correct. 27th, which tax is levied by the state government only? So it is entertainment tax. Option A will be correct. दोस्तों, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा, साथ में बेल आइकन भी दबा दीजिएगा ताकि हर नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइमली मिलती रहे. 28th question, which of the following is not a writ issued by a superior court to an inferior court? So it is quo warranto. Option D will be correct. 29th, which were incorporated into the constitution by an amendment? So these were fundamental duties. Option B. 30th, the delimitation of the territorial constituencies in India is responsibility of? So it is responsibility of Election Commission. Option C. 31st, Niti Aayog is it is a non-statutory body, so I think none of these will be correct. 32nd, 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with? So it deals with 3 lists regarding legislation. Option D. 33rd question, the democratic body at the lowest level of rural local self-government is? So it is Gram Panchayat. Option C. 34th, from which country did the tradition of written constitution begin? So it began from America, option D. 35th, who was the speaker of first Lok Sabha? So it was Mavlankar, first, option A. 36th, which planet is the farthest distance from the earth? So it was Neptune, option D will be correct. 37th, equinox occurs when the sun is vertically above equator, option D will be correct. 38th, USA is divided into how many time zones? So it has 6 time zones, but 6th option is not there, so I think you will be getting a grace mark for this question. 39th, prime meridian is also called, so it is Greenwich meridian. 41st, the ozone layer protects us from ultraviolet rays, option D will be correct. 42nd, the amount of albedo in the atmosphere is about 42%, option A is correct over here. 43rd, which cloud is known as high cloud? So it is Cirrus, option A is correct. Which metal is most abundant in the earth's crust? So it is aluminium, option C will be correct for this. 45th, which ocean is also called ring of fire? So it is Pacific Ocean, option C. 46th, the cold Labrador current brings 9 months winter to eastern Newfoundland, option C will be correct. 47th, the hot deserts of the world are generally found near the horse latitude, option C will be correct. 70, next question, Lima is the capital of Peru, option D is correct. Next, which country lies entirely in the southern hemisphere? It is Tanzania, option C is correct over here. Myanmar is the new name of Burma, option A is correct. Next, which is the largest archipelago on the globe? So it is Indonesia, option B is correct. Which state is known as the land of 5 rivers? Easy question, it is Punjab, option A will be correct. Next, which is the longest river in India? It is Ganga, option A. Next, the diurnal range of temperature is maximum in which cities? It is in New Delhi, option A will be correct. Which is not a union territory? It is Goa, option D. Which is the longest dam in India? It is Hirakund Dam. Hirakund Dam, option D is correct. 57th, uranium mines in India are located in Jaduguda, option B will be correct. Uranium mines. 58th, the first atomic power plant constructed in India was at Tarapur, option C will be correct. 59th, which port is a natural harbour? So it is a Bombay port, option D will be correct. 60th, the largest locomotive factory in India is located at Chittaranjan, option D will be correct. 61st, demand for complementary goods is known as joint demand, option A is correct. 62nd, one of the essential conditions of monopolistic competition is many buyers but one seller, option A is correct over here. 63, the Imperial Bank of India after its nationalization came to be known as SBI, option B is correct. CRR stands for cash reserve ratio, option B will be correct. Taxation is a tool of official policy, option C is correct. 66th, foreign investment is known by the name of FDI in India, option C is correct. 67th, blue revolution is related with fish, option A is correct. Aquatic, it is related to aquatic things, so option A will be correct. सो ये हमने 67 तक क्वेश्चन हमने डिस्कस कर लिए हैं. आगे वाले क्वेश्चंस के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए चैनल, क्योंकि वो वीडियो जल्द ही आने वाली है. थैंक यू सो मच.